This is a rare development opportunity in Costa Rica, one of the fastest-growing coastal regions in Costa Rica. The property spans over 29,000 square meters, positioned on a natural ridge above Dominicalito, with expansive ocean, jungle, and mountain views. Most importantly, it is less than a 3-minute walk to the beach, an increasingly rare combination in this market. The land is divided into 7 individual lots, offering flexibility for different scales of investment and development. Prices range from $100,000 to $700,000. The most accessible lot offers approximately 2,800 square meters, while the largest reaches over 5,300 square meters. In total, there are 7 lots available, creating options for individual buyers, phased development, or a larger unified project. The topography naturally supports multiple building sites, each with strong views and direct road access, simplifying development and increasing long-term value. The property is also strategically located across from an active commercial area, providing immediate access to restaurants, wellness services, and daily conveniences. Positioned between Dominical and Uvita, this location benefits from consistent tourism, international demand, and a strong lifestyle-driven real estate market. This is a versatile asset, suitable for residential development, a wellness retreat, or a mixed-use concept. Ocean view land, walkable to the beach, with this level of accessibility and flexibility is becoming increasingly limited in Costa Rica. Contact Spicy Life Real Estate to learn more about this opportunity.